Good morning KG2. How are you all? Fine. So KG2, this is your general awareness class and it is Saturday today, and today we are going to do page number 13. Page number 13. So just take out your general awareness book and open page number 13. Put CW. So KG2, what have we learned till now about our body? That our body has many parts and every part has its function. हमारे बॉडी का बहुत सारा पार्ट है और हर पार्ट का एक फंक्शन होता है. लाइक हम देखते कौन से बॉडी पार्ट से है, सुनते कौन से बॉडी पार्ट से है, हम स्मेल कैसे करते हैं, हम टेस्ट कैसे करते हैं, कौन से बॉडी पार्ट से करते हैं, लाइक वाइज. ओके, सो दिस पेज नंबर 13 इज अबाउट दैट विच बॉडी पार्ट helps you to do what. Okay, now see here on this page, page number 13, there are words in the help box like EYES eyes, EARS ears, HANDS hands, TONGUE tongue, NOSE nose. One more time. EYES eyes आँखें, EARS ears कान, HANDS hands हाथ, TONGUE tongue जीभ, NOSE nose नाक. Okay, now I am going to read out the sentences because we have to fill these words in the sentences. मैम अभी सेंटेंस रीड करेगी और यही सारे वर्ड्स सेंटेंस में आएंगे. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी दैट कौन सा वर्ड आएगा. ओके, नाउ लेट अस रीड. कम टू नंबर 1. नंबर 1 इज I, TOUCH touch, WITH with, MY my and dash. Here you have to write a part's name. Number 2, I see. See means देखना. With my, मैं देखता हूँ. You have to mention the part of the body through which we can see. Now next, I smell with my. हम स्मेल किससे करते हैं, यानी कि सूंघते किससे है. विद माई डैश. यू हैव टू राइट द बॉडी पार्ट्स नेम. IHEAR हियर. हियर मीन्स सुनना. ध्वनियाँ सुनना, साउंड सुनना, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है वो सुनना, गाने सुनना, बहुत सारे अलग अलग चीज़ें सुनना. HEAR here means सुनना. With my dash. What do you hear with? आप किससे सुनते हैं, कौन से बॉडी पार्ट की मदद से. Now next is I taste with my dash. How do you taste with? उस दिन मैम ने स्वीट एंड सॉल्टी का एक्टिविटी कराया था, तो कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट हमें टेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है पता चल गया था ना. यस. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द आंसर्स एज I touch with my hands. Anything that come across you, if you want to hold it, how do you touch it? With the help of hands. Now see here. Now see here that how madam is writing, how madam is making all the letters. Okay, so I touch with my hands. H A N D. For writing D, we should write C first. जब भी हम D लिखते हैं पहले C लिखते हैं. Go up, come down. S. Your handwriting should be perfect. I touch with my hands. Now the next question is, I see with my. How do we see with? We see with help of eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. For writing E, a small sleeping line with a curve. E, Y, E, S. I see with my eyes. Next, I smell with my N-O-S-E, nose. I smell with my nose. How to write nose? Standing line, go up, stop. O. You have to write slowly. S. E. I smell with my nose. Now the next question. I hear with my E-A-R-S, ears. E. A. R. S. Ears. I hear with my ears. Now the last question is I-T-A-S-T-E, taste. Taste मतलब स्वाद आना. I taste with my. I taste with my tongue. What is the spelling of tongue? See here. T-O-N-G-U-E. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. I taste with my tongue. So, KG2, this is today's class work. This is today's classwork in the book. Now we will do some classwork in the notebook. Now in your notebook, just put CW and heading as DRAW, draw, and color, COLOUR, draw and color. Madam is going to draw only, isn't it? You need to color it. So the first thing that we are going to draw is tongue. For drawing a tongue, you just need a curve like this and write a big U. What is this? This is a tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. The next thing that we are going to color is, this was number 1. Number 2 is eyes. For drawing eyes, what do we need? We need to draw a arc like this, and the same here We need a big circle here. And we need to draw eyelashes like this. The lower eyelashes. Okay. And this is going to be black. Which body part is this? This is eye. If it is one, it is eye. और अब जब दो रहेंगे तो आईज होगा. EYE, eye. Now number 3. I'm just drawing. You need to color it, okay? Number 3 is nose. So for nose, we need a slanting line like this. Take a curve like this. Okay, and here a small curve. This is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Now number 4. Number 4 is, what is number 4 now? Suppose this is the side part of your face. Okay. And here I am going to draw a curve like this. And I am drawing a slightly S kind of line. Which part is this? Yes, this is ear. E-A-R, ear. So this is today's classwork, that you need to draw and color tongue, eye, nose, ear. Okay? So KG2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.